Today I'm just going to show you how quick it is to make bread in double quick time by using a bread mix. All we need to do, you just open up the bread maker, ready to go, and then you just pour in the complete packet mix. And because we're doing a £2 loaf, we need about 320 millilitres of water, and then just pour in the water, make sure it goes around the bread mix like so. And then all you need to do, close up the bread maker and then decide which program you need. I always cook the bread mixes on the basic program, which is program number 1. So you can see by pressing the easy touch screen, you just jog down until you get the program number 1. As you can see, that's a 3-hour timing, which is fine. And then you click select, and then it asks you what size loaf you want. So for a small £1 loaf, you select the smallest loaf icon. You can see there in the bottom left hand corner. For a £1.5 loaf, you click the next size up, and then for the largest £2 loaf, you click the largest loaf icon, which we need because there's 500 grams worth of bread mix in here. And then you just press select, and then the next step is to select the crust setting. You can go from very dark right down to very light. I think for this particular loaf I like it slightly above medium, so we'll go for 3 bars on there. Click select, and then it gives you the option of delaying the start of the bread making process. So say you want a 3-hour delay on there, you just add that to the existing 3 hours required to bake the bread, so we get to 6 hours, and then press select and keep your finger on select for a few seconds, and then the bread maker is ready to go. You can put a longer delay, so if you want freshly baked warm bread in the morning with your breakfast, you could just set the machine before you go to bed in the evening. By the time you wake up in the morning, had your shower, the finished bread is waiting for you inside the bread machine. Okay, so after around 3 hours baking time, the bread maker switches automatically to the keep warm function. So the baked bread is kept warm in baking pan inside for up to 2 hours. So you just unclip the pan inside the bread maker by twisting it anti-clockwise, and then just lift out the baking pan. Just make sure both your hands are protected with oven gloves or a kitchen towel, and then just turn the pan upside down, shake it gently, and then you've got the loaf of bread inside the pan. As you can see, when it's warm, it slices quite easily. You've got lovely texture inside, you've got the nice crust on the outside. Again, there's those 5 crust settings from very light to very dark, so you can create your own recipe and your own perfect finish.